Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the awesome looking Dino Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, so it's a little bit fast, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's very similar to the other piggies. It's just that it's got a really mean looking claw right here. Alright, so we're gonna start out with the overall head shape, so it's just gonna be one big circle. And you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you with this, or you can just kind of freehand it. It's okay to be a little bit wobbly. Alright, and then from here I'm going to find the midpoint of this circle, so it's going to be right around here. I'm going to go up slightly, make a little point. So this is going to be the top of the snout. So from that point there, I'm just going to draw in another circle. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to draw in 2 little egg shapes right here on the side. So that's going to be the nostrils, so I'm just going to shade those in. Alright, and then for the eye, just kind of come out at the angle right here. Let's draw another circle. So same thing here. And then for the cheeks, just an egg shape, just closer to the edge. And then for the ears, just right at top of the eye, just come up, make a little point. And then come to this side, just make another point here. So from those 2 points, just kind of connect them. Right, so same thing here, right on top. Just use the other side for reference. Once you have those 2 points, just go all the way around. Alright, so that's the head. And then for the body, it's very easy. Just come out right here. I'm just gonna draw 2 lines coming down. So right here is gonna be his armpit. And then from those points here, just curve in and come back out. So that's gonna be his waist, and then just close it off here on the bottom. Okay, and then let's draw in his arms first, and then we'll draw in his legs. So again, here's the armpit. Just come up here on the shoulders, curve down, and then right here, curve. So just like a long bracket. So this is gonna be his wrist, and then for his hand, for his thumb right here, just one little hook on the bottom. Draw a little line slanting down. And then here's the back of the hand. So now we can draw in the other fingers. Continue with this curve. Just curve down. Just kind of round it out. Go back up. Okay, so that's gonna be one finger, and let's draw in just a hint of a second one on the back. And then now let's draw in the claws. So right here on the top. Just make it nice and sharp. Okay, and then for the other one, it's gonna be right around here. And then let's draw in one more, even though we won't be able to see the fingertips. I'm just gonna draw in one more on the back. Okay, so definitely nice and mean. So on this side, again, here's the armpit, shoulder, curve down, and then again, just a long bracket. And then for his hand right here, his thumb, it's one big hook, one little line, and then here's the back of the hand. This side here, continue the curve all the way down. Just kind of hook it back up. Just round it out. And then same thing here, just one little bump. Okay, and then now for the claws. Come down and then nice and sharp. One more for this finger, and then one more on the back where we can't see the fingertips. Okay, so those are the arms, and then the legs are really easy. Just come down right in the middle, draw a little line, and then I'm gonna start drawing the inside of the legs first. So just draw two lines coming down, come back up here, just kind of follow the same slant here. And then as we get to the bottom here, I'm gonna flare out, just give it a little bump, and then close it off with a horizontal line. Okay, same thing here, same slant coming down, let's give it one little bump. Alright, so that's the overall body, and then now for the little patterns, just a bunch of little egg shapes. And let's start right here, just one big one, and it's kind of touching the sides. Okay, egg shape. There's one right underneath the neck, and then let's draw in one right here. Okay, so for the ones on the side, it's just going to be half. One little U shape for this one, and then this one's going to be almost a full egg shape. And then there's two more. Alright, so that is it for this Dino Piggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.